Hi again, let's complete unwrapping the parts, and I will start with this one. Select it, isolate it, let's see what we got here in the modifier stack. We have mirror, we have subdivision. Let's deactivate optimal display to see the subdivision. Yeah, I'm going to accept this result, so just apply everything, apply this, and then tap to edit mode, and let's unwrap this piece. Let's add seam right here, and maybe one right here, and one right here, and for this side, and mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it. Change this to angle based, and let's add the checker, hit Z, and go to material preview, and yeah, it's cool. Now let's hit slash to jump to another geometry. Let's start with this one, isolate it. We have just a bevel applied here, exist here, apply it, and tap to edit mode, alt click, select all of these edges, key twice, and slide them maybe right here. Yeah, that's cool. Well, now after that, let's select some edges here, and alt click here, and mark seam, and maybe I can grab one of these faces and hit XF to delete it, and hover over this, hit L to select all these faces, and again XF to delete them. From this side, the same technique, alt click here, XF, hover over this piece, L, XF to delete them. That's cool. Alright, now what we can do is maybe we can add some seam here in this area, switch to edge, and Q, and mark seam here. And where should we add seam? Maybe here. Grab this one and this edge right here. The same thing for this side, and mark seam, hit A, and here hit U. Let's see the results. I don't know if that will work. Let's add the checker, and let's see the result. Yeah, it's cool. It is a very nice result that we got here. Alright, hit slash, and let's select this piece, isolate it with a slash, and tap to edit mode, and grab all of these edges, G twice, slide them back right here maybe, and you don't need to do anything here, just apply the bevel, and hit A, select everything, and here hit U, and let's change this to conformal, and let's add checker, sorry, and let's go to material preview, and yeah, cool. Now let's hit slash again, and let's see what else we can pick here, and unwrap maybe this piece, slash, isolate them, tap to edit mode, and let's apply the subdivision and the mirror, and let's go to solid, tap to edit mode, and maybe alt click here, and alt shift click here, add seam, and hit A, sorry, hit A, select everything, and here hit U to unwrap, and let's change this to angle based, and let's see the results. Let's add the checker, and let's go to material preview, and cool, that will work. So this piece is hidden. We don't need to care so much about this piece, because the camera will not reach at this piece. So hit slash, as you see here, I just have a few, I don't have much of this piece, of this one, visible to the camera, so don't worry about unwrapping this perfectly. Alright, so we just completed this. Maybe I can grab this and start unwrap this piece. Let's go to solid, and go to solid, and what we got here, I think I need to tap to edit mode and grab these edges, key twice and slide them maybe right here. And what else we can do here is maybe I can hit, let's see what we can do here. Let's apply the bevel first, apply it and tap to edit mode, and let's grab some edges here and mark seam here, and maybe I can mark seam here. Let's see. Alright, maybe I can add seam right here, or maybe let's see, we have multiple choices here. Yeah, I'm going to add seam right here in this area. So Q mark seam and hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it. So now we got this result. Let's add the checker and go to material preview, and yeah, that's work. That will work. Hit slash, let's exit of this piece. And what about this one? Select it, and here we have subdivision, apply it, tap to edit mode, and let's see how can we unwrap this one. Let's target these corners and add seam here, and seam right here. Sorry, let's add seam right here, and let's see, where should we add seam? Maybe right here. Alt click, and one here. And yeah, just like that. Hit control space, and now hit A, select everything, and here hit U to unwrap, and it's unwrapped. Let's add the checker. Hit Z and go to preview, and cool. Hit slash, and what else we can do here? Let's start with this one. Hit slash isolated, and just apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, and let's select this entire edge loop, this one right here and this one right here. Q and add seam right here, and hit A, and here hit U. That's it. That's cool. Hit slash again. And what about these pieces right here? Let's start maybe with this one. Isolate it, apply the bevel, and tap to edit mode, and let's see how can we unwrap this. Grab these seams, and the same thing for this side, and let's add one seam here, from here to here, and hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it. And it's still we have problem with the scale, so tap to object, control A, apply the scale again, tap to edit mode, hit A, and here hit U again, and there we go. But we got a problem with the shading. Let's add weighted normal to correct the normal, and yeah, there we go. Apply it, and cool, very nice. Hit slash and give it checker, and select the other one, slash, tap to edit mode, or you can apply the bevel first, tap to edit mode, and let's grab this edge, this one, mark seam, this one, and let's delete this edge here and this edge right here, and mark seam, hit A, and here hit U. Let's see what we got. I just added a seam right here. And one right here. Let's see, from this to this one, Q again. Yeah, that's correct, but we should have another seam here in this area, just like that. And now hit A and again hit U, and there we go. Cool. Let's add checker, and let's hit slash to select something else. I will select this one, isolate it, apply the bevel, apply the scale, and tap to edit mode, and let's grab this entire edge loop, hold alt shift, grab this, mark seam here, and mark seam right here, and seam, one seam right here. And what else we can do? Let's grab this edge to this one, hold control, and mark seam. The same thing for this side. Grab this edge, hold control, grab this one, sorry, and mark seam. That's cool. Hit A and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Hit slash. So we just unwrap these pieces. Let's give this one a checker, and let's go to material preview, and let's see the result that we got here. Everything is cool. This one we didn't give it a checker. Yeah, that's nice. This one maybe, let's add a checker for this to see the results. Yeah, it's cool, everything is correct. Alright, so I'm going to end this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial.